guys, this is Fred here. Welcome to the channel. So today in the year 2025, that today is on 17th January 2025, and I have started a project of fodder farming. So what I did, I have acquired this piece of land through leasing, and I am planning to plant as much fodder as possible. And in this case, I'll be planting maize for silage purposes. So what we are doing today is we are clearing this like two acres of land all through 2 acres of land. And what we are first doing, we are clearing the entire area, and then we are going to be digging. And for our case here, we are not going to be using machinery. We are not in such a capacity to use machinery, tractor and all that to dig. But for our case, we'll be using the hand tools. We have a thrasher here, we have a panga here. And when we start digging, we'll be using uh, the jembes and fork jembe. So the point is, when you are working or when you have to stay ahead as a dairy farmer, you have to know where your fodder will be coming from for this year, for the coming year, and all that. Yeah. So always stay ahead of the game. And I keep on reiterating that stay ahead of the game. Right now we are doing this, but we are in January, but the season will start on at the end of March, April, at the start of April there. That's when we'll be having long rains. So for you to wait for all that time, you should start as early as possible. If your land doesn't have any fodder or any crops that you are expecting to harvest, you can start preparing your land as early as possible. So that when it starts raining, you plant early. So the moment you plant early, you harvest early. Yeah. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you have to stay ahead of the game. You have to be always ahead, whether you like it or not, whether you want to make it in life or in the dairy farming or not. So this is what we have been doing, and we have been here for that's 3 days, and we are remaining with 1 day, and we'll be done with clearing the bush. It is a bush area, and the beauty about it is the land is very virgin. The last time it was planted is like some years ago. Yeah. So it is very virgin and very fertile. But in this case, I will not be using manure because it's a vast land, and I'll be using fertilizer. Although I don't do that, I'll be using, because this is a very big area, and it came as an opportunity and I had to grab it. So it is a good rocket, and as you can see, that is Nyeri town there. It is a very developed town. Yeah, that is Nyeri town, and I'm on the northern side of Nyeri town. Yeah. So, and then I'm privileged to be a farmer in this region. So what I would like to urge you guys is start early, with what you have, do with what you have, and stop just watching videos online on the YouTube. Start doing. Yeah, you run by doing. Just by purchase a cow and start with one, and you keep on growing, but the first thing that you have to do is fodder. You have to make sure that fodder must be there whether you like it or not. So I'll be showing you the entire process that I'll be doing, the entire work that we'll be doing. So here we have just cleared. Next we are going to be digging, and then we are going to be planting, applying fertilizer, weeding and all that until we make silage. Yeah. And as a farmer, still you have to have hope. Yeah, in everything that you do, have hope. So I'm hoping and I pray that on the next season, that is from April, March, that there will be enough rainfall for so that our maize will harvest on time, and there will be good harvest. Yeah, you have to have hope in everything that you do. So that is the main thing. For the next 3 months I'll be doing, yeah, just concentrating on fodder. Fodder is everything. Yeah. And for this case, I'll be planting yellow maize. I know it will cost me a lot, but it is better to try. Even if you don't have money, just try it. You never know where money will come from. So I'm planning to buy fertilizer, the corn seeds, yeah, the quality seeds. And then I'm going to employ some people here so that we can dig it in the shortest time. Although we have like 2 months to go, but I want to be prepared as much early as possible. So, guys, take opportunity if you have a run. So, what happens in this location is most young guys went to town, yeah, living in the village like that. That's why you see such a run is so bushy because there is no one who is energetic to take care of the land. So most of the guys have gone to towns, leaving us in the village. But opportunities are everywhere, not only in towns, even in rural areas like where we are. Uh, we There's only many opportunities around like this. Is anything that comes out of the soil is very very. I like farming. That's why if you have a land in your area, just start planting. Yeah, plant fodder, plant anything that will be bring income because nowadays jobs are not a guarantee. Yeah, the education system has ruined each and every one of us. So take opportunity. If you have land, start doing it small, small, small. No seasons. Watch as much YouTube videos as you can. Follow as many channels as you can so that you can learn and you run by doing. You learn and then you do it. You learn and then you do it. And with that, let me just pause here and I'll be showing you what will happen. Yeah, until the end, you stick to me. And if you are there, it is your first time that you are watching my videos or in this channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah, so that you can learn something new today. So thank you for your time. Consider subscribing, like, comment, ask any questions. See you in the next video. This place, someone